Hi guys, I'm really excited. Couple of things. I got my new GoPro Hero 9 Black. It is awesome. I have done an unboxing which I've never done before, so I hope you enjoy this video. I'm very excited about this. Clearly, you should feel my nipples. I've literally only opened it up yesterday. The one thing that you do notice is it's a little bit heavier, solid, so it is all round a lot bigger than my GoPro Hero 5. I have big Gumby fingers. Stupid Gumby fingers trying to do something. So I do notice that the screen is a little bit pokey for me. But you can download the app, and if you download the app, you can do all your, you can change all your settings on the app. So that's what I did. I mean, I think that's a lot easier. It comes with this, with two mounts, which mount into your nice little handy that you've got here. The tall one rattles while it's in there, so it's not great. I'm not really happy with that. But the small one, the short one, perfect. I do notice that the battery does warm up a little bit. I don't know, maybe I never noticed it with the other one, but I'm just thought I'd mention it. One of the cool features is you can take the battery out through its little side flap without taking it off its mount, which I found is really cool, because before you got to take it off, you got to take it out of the cage, then you got to undo it, and you got to do this and that. And the batteries are a size bigger. They're saying that they should be around about 2 hours per battery, which is fantastic.
I am concerned about this little bit at the bottom though, this little tabby thing. Look, they are replaceable, but I don't know how solid it is.
There are two screens. The front screen, I love it, right? This idea, look, there's all these people doing reviews. Oh, other cameras have had it before. I've not had it. I like it. Front screen is perfect. So I can look around, and I know exactly where I am on the camera at all times. I sometimes miss myself in the shot. I like the front screen. And then you've got the max lens mod. Now this is an extra $100. Love to Marianne, Darren, Aiden and Georgia, because they bought it for my birthday present. The camera has built-in stabilization, but this lens mod somehow manages to level the horizon completely. I don't know how it happens, but check this out. It's awesome. It's so cool. Stupid. Ta-da! Ta-da! you can see in the screen I'm moving and it's barely That's awesome. That changes everything, seriously. This is just a precursor. It's just something I wanted to do, my first thoughts about this new camera. And so far, look, I'm liking it. I think it's great. There are some great features on this camera so far. It's very clean, it's very clear. Let me know how you feel about it. Thanks guys, I'm so excited about this camera. It's amazing. Happy birthday to me. If there's anything you'd like to ask me, anything you'd like to see here in Panglao and Bohol, please let me know. I'm more than happy to go and do some tours based on your recommendations. Just let me know what you want to do, and if you want me to come and say hi, just comment down. I appreciate all the messages and all the positive that I'm getting from you guys. It's fantastic. I'm really enjoying this.